One woman, one lamp, and a war where she rewrote history. 1854, Crimean War. In Selimiye Barracks, hundreds of soldiers arrived every day. But they died not from their wounds, but from infection. Women weren't allowed on the battlefield, but Florence didn't stop. Every night she walked bed to bed with her lamp, touching the wounded, fighting the unseen enemy. Infection. Death rates dropped from 40% to 2%. Modern nursing began with her. The war ended, but Florence's light spread across the world. Today is May 12th, International Nurses Day. One woman's courage changed millions of lives. Could you change the world alone?